Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gravy for crispy fries. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of flavorful pan drippings, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of warm broth, either chicken or beef. Having everything prepped and ready makes the process much smoother and ensures a perfect, rich gravy every time. Now let's create the foundation for our gravy, the roux. Heat your pan drippings over medium-low heat. Once warm, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour, creating a smooth paste. Continue cooking this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly. This step is crucial for developing a rich flavor and ensuring your gravy thickens beautifully without a raw flour taste. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in 2 cups of warm broth, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. This steady whisking is key for a silky smooth result. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Season your gravy with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. You might also consider adding a dash of Worcestershire sauce for an extra layer of savory depth. Give it a final stir, and your rich, homemade gravy is ready. Serve it immediately, generously poured over your favorite crispy fries for an unforgettable treat. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.